Hello everyone, and this is Sahid and I am super excited to be back on this channel today. This is your channel where you listen to everything migration, infotainment, healthy lifestyle and so on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so immediately, like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the all important notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. You don't want to do that because this is where you would hear all the latest around the world. And when you're looking for infotainment at its best, this is where you get it. And don't forget, you get it locked right down here. So what are we talking about today? Let's get it started.
In today's video, we will be telling about the latest from the United States regarding H-1B visas, green cards, and how the H-1B visa is transitioned to a green card, especially as the U.S. President Donald Trump era begins with various reforms across board. U.S. President Donald Trump's immigration reforms aim to tighten visa rules, raising concerns among foreign workers, students, and their families about job security and future prospects in the U.S. As Donald Trump's bold proclamation to revamp America's immigration system sent ripples across the global workforce. Among those most affected are the thousands of foreign workers in the U.S., many of whom are now grappling with the uncertainty of sweeping visa reforms. Thousands of foreign workers in the U.S. on H-1B visas aim for permanent residency through the I-140 petition. Every year, thousands of foreign workers, including professionals from diverse countries, move to the United States on temporary work visas like the H-1B. For many, the ultimate goal is to secure permanent residency through a green card. The journey from an H-1B visa to a green card hinges on one critical document, the I-140 petition. But how can the I-140 petition help foreign workers transition from temporary visas to long-term residency in the U.S., ensuring they can continue working and living there while navigating the often complex immigration process? Understanding the H-1B visa and its limitations. The H-1B visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows U.S. employers to hire foreign workers in specialized fields, primarily in STEM. While offering a valuable opportunity to work in the U.S., the H-1B is inherently temporary, typically lasting 6 years. However, the H-1B visa is a dual-intent visa, meaning it allows visa holders to legally pursue permanent residency while maintaining their temporary status. This is where the I-140 petition comes into play.
Stricter rules ahead for H-1B visa program. The H-1B visa program, a vital pathway for skilled foreign workers, is under the spotlight. Proposed changes include the following. Number 1. Redefining specialty occupation, making it harder for roles without specific degree requirements to qualify. Number 2. Increased scrutiny, a rise in requests for evidence RFS and application denials is anticipated. Number 3. Higher salary thresholds, doubling the minimum annual salary from $60,000 to $120,000 US could affect mid-level roles. The uncertainty is overwhelming, shared an H-1B holder based in Silicon Valley. Our careers and families are in jeopardy. What are the broader implications of the reforms? Additional proposed measures could deter companies from hiring foreign professionals, enhanced worksite inspections, mandatory E-Verify registration for employers, slower processing times across visa categories. Experts warn that these changes might worsen workforce shortages in specialized fields. While the U.S. needs skilled workers, the immediate outlook remains uncertain. What is the I-140 petition? The I-140, or Immigrant Petition for Alien Worker, is an essential form filed with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) to initiate the green card process. For H-1B visa holders, the I-140 serves as a gateway to extended visa durations and eventual permanent residency. What are the steps to transition from H-1B to a green card? The transition from an H-1B visa to a green card involves several key stages. Number 1. Employer sponsorship. The process begins when an employer sponsors the worker for permanent residency. This includes proving that the foreign worker's employment won't negatively impact U.S. workers. Number 2. PERM labor certification. Employers must obtain a permanent labor certification PERM from the Department of Labor (DOL). This certification requires advertising the job locally and demonstrating that no qualified U.S. worker is available for the position. Number 3. Filing the I-140 petition. Once perm certification is approved, the employer files the I-140 petition. This petition confirms the worker's eligibility for an employment-based green card and establishes their priority date, a critical factor in the green card queue. Number for adjustment of status or consular processing. The final step involves filing Form I-140 adjustment of status or completing consular processing at a U.S. embassy or consulate.
Why is the I-140 petition crucial? The I-140 petition plays a transformative role for H-1B visa holders. Here's how. Number 1. Extended visa duration. 1B visas have a 6-year maximum duration. However, an approved I-140 allows extensions beyond this limit, typically in 1 to 3-year increments. This is especially vital for workers from countries with significant green card backlogs, for instance, India and China. Number 2. Maintain legal status. The petition ensures workers can stay in the U.S. while waiting for their green card, avoiding disruptions to their professional and personal lives. What are the challenges and delays in the green card process? While the I-140 is a key step, the journey to a green card is often prolonged for applicants from countries with high demand. The U.S. Congress imposes annual limits on green card issuance, creating significant delays. Workers from some countries often wait for years due to these caps. What are the key facts about the H-1B program? Number 1. Visa allocation. 65,000 visas are issued annually for workers with bachelor's degrees, with an additional 20,000 for advanced degree holders. Number 2. Industries. Common fields include technology, healthcare, manufacturing, and education. Number 3. Country demographics. Over 2/3 of H-1B visa holders are from India. Number 4. Wages. Employers must pay the prevailing wage for the role and location. However, reports indicate many H-1B workers are paid below the local median wage. The I-140 petition transforms the temporary nature of the H-1B visa into a bridge to permanent residency. For foreign workers navigating the complexities of U.S. immigration, it ensures a secure path to contributing to American society and achieving long-term stability. Trump's proposed reforms could reshape the future for foreign workers in the U.S. by tightening visa rules and increasing scrutiny. These changes may create significant challenges for professionals and families. Staying informed and prepared will be crucial for those affected. And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding the latest from the United States regarding H-1B visas, green cards, and how the H-1B visa is transitioned to a green card, especially as the U.S. President Donald Trump era begins with various reforms across board. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our future videos. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us by electronic mail and let's create this success story together. Thank you and see you at the next video.